Yo, good morning guys. We are going to work now. 11:25 when I left the house. We still have I don't know, maybe already 11:30. Yeah, we still have 30 minutes. Before leaving the house, I got a comment on YouTube because he is living, a Filipino guy living in Norway, and he is planning to, he is thinking of moving to Australia. I don't know. I've been to Norway, in Oslo, and yeah, it's almost similar to Sydney. Not exactly, but there is almost the same vibe. They also have opera house within the central business district of Norway. Yeah, they have opera house. The shape is different, but they are also calling it opera house. And the city center also is a modern one. That's actually the first experience I had with McDonald's. You know how to pay using the ATM card. Yeah, it's really nice. Beautiful. And the same like Sydney. Yeah, because Sydney is surrounded by beautiful suburbs. Yeah, beautiful nature suburbs like Manly, Watson Bay, Bondi. Yeah, there are so many nice places in Sydney, around Sydney. And in Norway, in Oslo, the capital of Norway, they have place like Big Doy. Yeah, they also have a nude beach. Big Doy is the place where there is the nearest nude beach in the city center of Oslo. Yeah, the guy is asking, he's planning. I don't know. He is thinking of moving to Australia. And I replied to him and I said that I don't know exactly, because Norway is always on the top when it comes to quality of life. Yeah, that's what I said to him. And I would say the only difference maybe is the weather, because in Norway, in Oslo, there is snow. Yeah, that's what I said to him. Here in Australia, there is no snow. There are snow in Snowy Mountain, but it's not as small parts of Australia compared to Norway. That most parts of Australia are, no, most parts of Norway get to have a snow. So yeah, I can't really decide because I never experienced to live there. I've been there for just like a week. Was a good experience. If given a chance to go back to Norway, I will do that. I miss you, I miss you. There's no other way to say it, and I can't deny it. I miss you, I miss you. So easy to see. I was actually thinking, thinking about Norway the previous days. Yeah, I was thinking of going to Norway to study, because studying in Norway is free. There is no tuition fee when you are studying in Norway. Yeah, college, international student or local student, they don't pay tuition fee in public school, college, university in Norway. So it's a good place. Good morning. I was actually researching already the procedure, the process, and things that are related to go to Norway. Yeah. If I am not mistaken, you are required to have at least 15 US dollar to be deposited in the bank in Norway. That money will be the one to support you during your stay in Norway. Yeah, that's if you have time, you can research that. You can possibly go to Norway, study there, have a nice life. You know, yeah, it's a good idea. Yo, good morning, guys. It is now 8 o'clock. Yeah, 8:12, and I'm preparing my breakfast. I have rice here. Maybe I'm just going to fry this pork belly. Have this pork belly. It's been marinating for 2 days. Maybe this is spoiled already. I put here garlic and soy sauce. Just waiting for this to be cooked thoroughly, like toasted. And then I'm going to put the potato, and then yeah, that's it. I'll just adjust the taste by adding maybe more what's that, soy sauce or salt, pepper. I have bay leaves here. We put bay leaves. I open the screen. I also open the door so that I don't need to use the exhaust. Exhaust is very noisy. And if you remember yesterday, I ate the chicken leftover, the whole chicken. I ate that, and here it is now. I put it in the freezer in a small takeaway container, and I have two. I'm going to eat it when I want to eat. Okay, I take out some of them. I took out some of them because I know I am not going to finish it, and I put it here. I'll keep that in there and then in the freezer later. Good morning. Yeah, that's a big dog. Yo, good morning, guys. It is hot today here in Australia. Good morning. Yeah, the temperature is 36 degrees centigrade, and it's hot when you are under the sun, but if you are here in the shaded area, it's just cool because the wind breeze is nice. I am sure it is going to be hot again in the kitchen like the previous days. It feels like the air conditioning is not working in the kitchen. But you know, it is summer. That's maybe just because yesterday I was sweating all the time. The whole time that I am in the kitchen, it was sweating. I was sweating. Even the other guys, they are also sweating. They are actually checking the air conditioning if it is working or not. But yeah, it's hot. Never forget the way you look tonight. I never seen you shine so bright. You're amazing. Yo, good morning, guys. It is now 5 minutes to 10. I'm watching Jake Rich, a Australian vlogger. Most of his vlog is about GoPro. And I'm preparing my breakfast lunch. Yeah, this is the pork belly. This is similar to this one. This is adobo. I have some more in there. Cooking it now, defrosting. I'm going to reduce it, and that will be my lunch breakfast. I have rice here ready. And I am going to meet some people later on around 12 o'clock in the Albura Marina. At the moment they are still on the way. They are traveling coming from Forster area, Port Macquarie, Forster area. Look at that, so much mess. And look at this. I don't know if you can see that. And I have a new one from yesterday. This one. Yeah, if you are a cook, I think you'll be better than me. Yeah, we are out here because we're going to meet a family. I'm not sure if they are family, but yeah, they are actually driving, coming from somewhere in Forster, and I think they are traveling around Australia, road trip, something like that. And we're going to meet them somewhere in Albura Marina. Yeah, so basically they just come to see me, and I really appreciate that effort because coming here in Nelson Bay is really an effort. Just Shannon, good, good. Yeah, they said they will come here again so that they will see this place. Yeah. It's good to know because they are coming from New Zealand. They were living there for more than 15 years and they got a job opportunity here and they come here. And because I am curious what are the difference between Australia and New Zealand, because for me I have the impression, what is that? Yeah, I think I think New Zealand is the same like Australia. That's what I think. Yeah. And they said it is beautiful here in Australia. I don't know exactly. They are maybe just being used to New Zealand, so they are seeing Australia like a new place, and something new is always beautiful.